Good morning, class 10. Today I am going to submit some or give some questions related to light. Practice questions. They are related to SE. Question number 1. Define focus. Actually, focus is the point where parallel rays of light after refraction actually meet in case of a convex lens or seem to diverge from it in case of a concave lens. कन्भेक्स लेन्सको लागि प्यारल भएर आएको लाइट जहाँ मिट हुन्छ त्यो फोकस, कन्केभको लागि जुन पोइन्टबाट डाइभर्ज हुन्छ त्यो फोकस हुन्छ. जस्तो हामीले यस्तै गर्यो यस्तो फोकस कन्केभ लेन्सको लागि जहाँबाट डाइभर्ज हुन्छ focus. Actually, it is the point. One diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Optics. Optics is the study of light. Systematic studies of light. Near point. It is the nearest point up to which the human eye can accommodate or see objects clearly without any pain or strain. Far point. Its value is 25 centimeter. Far point. It is the farthest point up to which a normal eye can see objects clearly. Range of vision. Actually, it is the distance between the near point and the far point. It is about 25 centimeter to infinite. Near point 25 centimeter. Far point infinite. नियर पोइन्टदेखि फार पोइन्टसम्मको जुन डिस्टेन्स छ त्यसलाई रेन्ज अफ भिजन भनिन्छ. क्वेसन नम्बर 2. मेन्सन सम युसेज अफ लेन्सेस. एक्चुअली लेन्सेस आर भेरी युजफुल. वान युज इज स्पेक्टेकल्स. Spectacles are used with two types of lenses, concave lens or convex lens. Microscopes, telescopes, so many other optical instruments are used by using lenses. Actually, the lenses are made up of two glasses, flint and crown, which I will write down. Question number 3. Draw and label 3 types of convex lens. 3 types of convex lenses already done. Biconvex lens, plano-convex lens, concavo-convex lens. पछाडि convex आउनुपर्छ. जस्तो 3 types of convex lens भन्दा biconvex lens, plano-convex lens, concavo-convex lens. Convex भन्ने बित्तिकै छेउछेउमा, thin, thick. Question number 4. Draw and label 3 types of concave lens. 3 types of concave lens. Thick at edges, thin in the middle. 1. Biconcave lens, plano-concave lens, convexo-concave lens. Question number 5. Why is a convex lens called a converging lens but a concave lens a diverging lens? A convex lens is called a converging lens because it converges parallel rays of light at the focus. Full stop. A concave lens is also called a diverging lens because it diverges parallel rays of light away from the focus. Convex lens ले प्यारलल रेलाई कन्भर्ज गर्छ, मिटिङ गराउँछ, त्यसैले यसको नाम कन्भर्जिङ. कन्केभ लेन्सले प्यारलल रेजलाई डाइभर्ज गराउँछ, अवे फ्रम द फोकस गराउँछ, त्यसैले यसको नाम डाइभर्जिङ लेन्स. जस्तो नाम छ त्यस्तै काम. जस्तो यसलाई हाफ एन्सर क्वेसन पनि छ. कन्भेक्स लेन्स कन्भर्जिङ बिकज इट कन्भर्जेस. कन्केभ लेन्स डाइभर्जिङ बिकज इट डाइभर्जेस. कन्भर्जिङ गर्ने भएको हुनाले कन्भर्जिङ लेन्स, डाइभर्ज गर्ने भएको हुनाले डाइभर्जिङ लेन्स. क्वेसन नम्बर 6. ड्र रे डायग्राम टु सो इमेजेस फर्म बाय अ कन्केभ लेन्स. 2 cases. 1. Object at a far distance, or object at infinity, image at the focus. Two cases. Mention nature, position and size. Two cases. First case is object at infinity, a virtual erect and highly diminished image is formed on the or at the focus on the same side like this. Another case, object beyond twice a virtual erect and diminished image is formed. Question number 7. Draw ray diagrams to show images formed by a convex lens. 6 cases. Case number 1. Object at infinity, image at the focus. Object beyond twice a, image between twice a. Object at 2f, image at 2f. Object between f and 2f, image away from 2f. Object at f, image at infinity. Object between O, optical center and focus, it is virtual erect image and magnified image away from twice f. Name 2 defects of vision. There are actually 3 defects, but I am going to say 2 defects. Defect number 1, myopia or short-sightedness. The person can see near objects, not far objects with ray diagram. Another is hypermetropia or long-sightedness. The person can see far objects, not near objects, which I will show in this way. Near point, see, near point like this. Near. Far point, the person can see newspapers at a distance. टाढा राखेर पढ्न सक्यो यसरी. Far point, नजिक राखेर पढ्न सक्यो. Near point. Also draw corrected ray diagrams. See, myopia can be corrected by using a concave lens. यसले डाइभर्स गराएर रेटिनामा पार्छ. अर्को छ hypermetropia can be corrected by using a convex lens. By using a convex lens. Convex lens ले ओर तान्दिन्छ. Also draw corrected ray diagrams. Question number 8. Question number 9. Name 2 types of glass or glasses used to make lenses. Actually, flint. F-L-I-N-T. Flint. This word is not in class 10. Flint and crown. C-R-O-W-N. I have underlined F-L-I-N-T. Flint and C-R-O-W-N. Crown are 2 special types of glasses used to make lenses. Flint and crown glass. Question number 10. Mention the formula of a lens. Actually, the answer is 1 by f equal 1 by u plus 1 by v. One formula, very important formula. 1 by f, 1 by u plus 1 by v. A number. Another is power equal 1 by focal length in meter. C number. Magnification equal v by u or I upon O. 1 by F equal 1 by U plus 1 by V. Focal length, object distance, image distance. F focal length, U for object distance, V for image distance. P for power, 1 by focal length in meter. Focal length is in meter, power is in diopters. Magnification is the ratio of image distance to the object distance, or image height to the object height. That's question number 11. See, actually the summary where the image is formed. Summary. See, concave lens, convex lens. Image is formed by a convex lens. First of all, there are 6 cases. Case number 1, objects, images, and objects, images, position, and size. Objects. Object at infinity. Object at infinity, convex lens, real, inverted. Position, object at infinity, position at focus. Size, highly diminished. Another is at infinity, beyond twice F भन्दा टाढा, real and inverted. If twice F beyond छ भने between F and 2F. Size diminished only. Diminished. C number at twice F. Object at 2F, real and inverted image is formed. Object at 2F, position, image at 2F, size, same size. जस्तो object छ त्यतै image बनिन्छ. Question number 11. It's a summary to understand. D number is object between F and twice F. F and twice F को बीच में राख्यो. Images, where is the image formed? What type of image? Real and inverted. Real and inverted. Beyond twice F. Here magnified. Infinity को फोकस में, फोकस को infinity. Beyond को between को beyond. Twice F को twice F. Object between F and 2F, real and inverted. Beyond twice F, image magnified. E number, object or at F. F में राख्यो भने के होला? Real and inverted image, object at F. Confusion हो रही हेर्नुस् यसरी. Object at F मा राख्यो भने के हुन्छ? यसरी राख्दा यसरी जाने भयो. यस्तो हुने भयो. This is image at infinity, highly magnified. F number, object between F and O. Here F for focus, O for optical center. Whatever image is formed, if you are confused, you can just draw and see. Only in this case, virtual and erect image is formed. Virtual and erect image. See. What type of image? Virtual and erect. Where is the image formed? Beyond BN bicep on the same side. Same side, but here magnified. See, magnified. Magnified image is formed. See. Question number 12. One numerical related to this. See, an object is placed, see, 6 centimeter in front of a convex lens to produce convex lens of power, say, 25 diopters. If the power is 25 diopters, what happens? See, if U equals 6 centimeter, power P 25 diopters, see, or say 2.5 diopters, better to write 2.5 diopters. What is the focal length? 1 by power 1 by 2.5 meter, 1 by 2.5 into 100, then it becomes 40. It becomes 40. Focal length is 40. Object distance is 6 centimeters. Power 2.5 diopters. Power is given. Find focal length. U is given. Find image distance. Image distance V. Magnification M. Also mention the nature, position and size of the image. If you are confused, U is 6 centimeter, focal length given, find power given, find focal length and find V. How to find? 1 by V equal 1 by F minus 1 by U. 1 by 40 minus 1 by 6. From here, you know that the image is virtual. Image is virtual. हेर्नु त इमेज virtual. 40 र 6 को एलसीएम कति हुन्छ? 120 हुन्छ. यसले गर्दा 3 आउँछ. यसले गर्दा 20 आउँछ. अनि -17 by 120. यसको उल्टाइदियो भने v equal -120 by 17. Something यहाँ क्याल्कुलेटर. Object between F. यहाँनिर चाहिँ बुझ्नुपर्छ between F and O. F र O को बिचमा हुन्छ virtual and erect. Question number 13. Define the power of a lens. The power of a lens is defined as the ability to produce convergence or divergence. It is the reciprocal of focal length in meter and its SI unit is diopter. यसलाई चाहिँ P equal 1 by FM. बिर्सेमा यो फर्मुला याद गर्ने. P equal 1 by focal length in meter. Power is the ability to produce convergence or divergence of a lens. It is found by using the formula P equal 1 by focal length in meter. Its SI unit is diopters. Last question number 14 is draw already done. The position, size and images formed by a convex lens. That is question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14. Images formed by a concave lens. Summary. Concave lens. Two cases are there. Objects. Two cases only. Objects, images, position, and size. See, object. Infinity. At infinity. Very far away. Parallel rays. Images are, what type of image? Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect image. Position at it, and the focus size highly diminished. Highly diminished image. B number, beyond twice shape. Object beyond twice shape. Where is the image found? Suppose if you are confused, just draw simply. Just draw simply. A here parallel ray passes through the focus, another ray was straight. Where is the image found? Between F and O. Image is found between F and O. Virtual and erect. In case of a concave lens, the image is always virtual and erect. Where is the image found? Between A, focus F and optical center O. Here diminished only, not highly diminished. Diminished. Diminished means smaller, and magnified means bigger than the object. Question number 14. Images formed by. Question number 15. Distinguish between A number, real and virtual images. Virtual images, just by the name. Real image is formed by the real intersection of reflected or refracted rays. Virtual images are not formed by real intersection. Actually, rays actually meet somewhere. In virtual images, the rays don't meet. They seem to diverge. Meet by a real image, यो चाहिँ इन्भर्टेड हुन्छ, भर्चुअल इमेज चाहिँ इरेक्ट हुन्छ, रे मिट हुँदैन. अर्को छ कन्भेक्स लेन्स एन्ड कन्केभ लेन्स. अलरेडी रिटन. एनदर हाइपरमेट्रोपिया एन्ड myopia. Hypermetropia, the person can see far objects, not near objects. नजिकको नदेख्ने, टाढा देख्ने. Here the image is formed behind the retina. रेटिना भन्दा पछाडि, यसलाई ओरा तान्नु पर्छ. Convex lens is used. Myopia, the person can see near objects but not far objects. Reason, by the elongation of the focal length, shortening of the eyeball. Here just opposite, by the shortening of the focal length or elongation of the eyeball. To correct my hypermetropia, a convex lens is used because the image is formed behind the retina. To correct myopia, we have to use a concave lens or diverging lens. Then what is another? Real and inverted image, real image and virtual image, convex lens and concave lens, hypermetropia and myopia. Reflection and refraction not necessary. You can just write down. Another three cases: hypermetropia, and another is the human eye and camera. Human eye both form the real images, but in this case, human eye, the focal length can be changed, focal length cannot be changed. Here, the image is formed at the retina. human eye retina आँखाको क्यामेरा. The image is formed at the photographic plate. Question number 16. Draw and label a human